More news coming in at this point in time has got to do with the Mumbai-Delhi Indigo flight which received a hoax bomb threat is what our sources are indicating. This is 6E762 received a hoax bomb threat on the 30th of September. Necessary security checks were conducted on the aircraft is what we know. So this was a hoax bomb threat that was received. Indigo flight receiving a bomb threat. Necessary checks were done as per protocol. That's the limited information we have with us at this point in time. This was on the 30th of September. In fact, for the Mumbai-Delhi Indigo flight receiving a bomb threat today. 6E762 received a hoax bomb threat today is what we know. Amit has got more details. Amit, what more can you tell us about the kind of inconvenience that this delay would have really caused? And also, what about the bomb hoax call? Talk to us about where the investigations in that direction are headed.
Well, Sneha, what sources are confirming us that it was Mumbai-Delhi 6E762 Mumbai-Delhi Indigo flight which has received the hoax bomb threat, and immediately the authorities were alerted about this particular bomb threat. So this hoax bomb threat was given today itself, after which the security check of the entire craft was conducted by the concerned authorities, security agencies as well. What Indigo is also confirming to India today that there was security threat perception in regards to its Mumbai-Delhi flight 6E762, after which the security personnel were alerted about the entire situation, and immediately the entire craft was sanitized and a proper security check was conducted all through. After which the big relief at this point in time is that after the security check, complete security check, the flight has been given clearance for takeoff, which means that nothing suspicious was found on that particular flight. Now it will be up to the authorities to actually go into this particular hoax threat as to what was the origin of the threat and who were the people behind this particular threat, which led to a massive security inconvenience along with the inconvenience that was faced by the passengers who were on board. What Indigo is also telling us that all the passengers were given the necessary comfort in regards to refreshment or information in regards to delay which was happening with flight 6E762. So it was a hoax bomb threat. It has been confirmed now through our sources. The security check was conducted on the craft of Indigo Mumbai-Delhi flight. That has been also confirmed by the Indigo to India today, and that the flight has been given clearance for takeoff, which means nothing suspicious was found on the craft. Sneha.
I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Amit Bhardwaj getting in those details. A bomb threat, a hoax call that was received.